Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid map in QGIS. Grid maps are powerful tools for visualizing and analyzing spatial data by dividing an area into a series of uniform cells. To start, simply open QGIS and load any base map you wish to use. It is crucial to confirm that your project's coordinate reference system is accurately configured for precise grid generation. Now let's create the grid layer itself. Navigate to the Processing toolbox and search for the Create Grid tool. This versatile tool allows you to select various grid types, such as rectangular, diamond, or hexagonal polygons. You will then define the grid's extent, along with its horizontal and vertical spacing. For example, you might set a spacing of 100 meters or 1 kilometer, depending on your analysis needs. Once your grid is generated, it's time to make it visually appealing and informative. In the layer properties, you can easily customize the grid lines by adjusting their color, thickness, and transparency. To enhance clarity, consider adding labels to each grid cell, perhaps using an expression for a unique identifier. Furthermore, you can apply graduated or categorized symbology to represent data within each cell, making your map more insightful. Finally, you'll want to export your finished grid map for sharing or further analysis. You can export the grid layer as a shapefile or geo package, which are widely compatible formats. For high-quality visual outputs, utilize the print layout feature in QGIS to create professional map images. Grid maps are incredibly effective for visualizing data density, distribution patterns, and for various spatial analysis tasks, offering a clear and structured view of your geographic information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.